everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today is another makeup video. Now I actually have a somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing, kind of. So I am going to do a little bit of what I did before, but I'm going to actually try and make it into, I guess almost like, I don't really know how to explain it, like a skeleton look? Like, I don't know, we'll see. I don't know much about this stuff still. So I am going to put my hair out of the way as I did with the crayon makeup video. There we go. Oh wow, I just look fantastic. So I'm going to be using my black eyeshadow again. I seem to be using this a lot, but it's what we're going for. I do have another makeup video soon, makeup video idea, where I'm not using the black eyeshadow. So we'll look forward to that maybe in the future. But I am going to start out with what I've done before and put the black onto my eyelids. How exciting. Oh my gosh. You know, in the beginning it always looks so bad. Oh, at the end it looks bad too. Who am I kidding? I know people usually use brushes, but I have a whole bunch of these things and I just want to use them. I do have some makeup brushes, but I've been doing good enough with these. Plus, you know, when you're trying to look dead and use this makeup for Halloween, it doesn't have to be perfect, which is just great. Very good. Alright. I do really like to use my finger after a while, but first we're just going to finish this up. Alright, now I'm going to use my finger. Maybe I should just, like, leave the house like this. Just go to work like this. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. Not at all. I don't want to get it in my eye, though. That is not the plan. Under the eye, I think it needs to be a little darker. Alright. Very good. Next, I'm going to apply the black to the nose. Probably use my mirror, might be a little easier. Now I look more like a cat. And then I'm going to suck it in like a fish. Oh man, I said I kind of had an idea. Kind of. Alright. Works good enough. I'm now going to take off the makeup on my finger and hope that these new makeup wipes do a good job. I'm hoping these new makeup wipes also take the stuff off my face. But we'll see, won't we? Alrighty, here we go. Uh-oh. I don't think these makeup wipes are as good as my other ones, the ones that I had. I went to the store and I couldn't find them. Great! It's a good thing I don't have anywhere to go tomorrow. Oh man, that really stinks. Oh well, not much I can do about it. Okay, so next thing, my black lipstick. That's how to get the excess off. Again, I can just look dead. I'm okay with that. I am A-okay with that. There we go. Take the ears off. Well, that's, you know, pretty good. You know what? I don't mind that. well, that was fun. I was gonna put this on, like, my mouth, but I think this is good enough. Plus, this stuff is actually, like, pretty good. Like, I even have some kind of still on my arm when I was messing around, like, earlier. And with these makeup wipes not being the best, I don't know about that. I was wondering if I had any on my teeth. I do not. So, alright, well, this was really fun again. So, now that I think about it, I'm not sure how much talking I did, so there might have been a couple silent moments, and if there were some silent moments, you know, just listen to your own music or whatever, because that's just the easiest thing to do. Alright, now I'm going to start taking off some of this stuff. Good look. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!